Hey, what's up? I'm Fat Papa. Today I will show you how to make the Oyakodon, the chicken egg over the rice. Let us begin. This is the new series. I want to show you some of the idea how to make the easy dinner for you and your family. So first, we will cut the chicken in one bite piece. So it's a small pieces, like it's good for one bite. Then after that, you will chop the onion into slice and then mix the egg together. And it's good for 4 people for this serve. The only thing you need to do probably is the sauce that you need to spend a little bit time. Otherwise, you cut small piece, prepare probably 10 minutes, and then you just cook it. The whole thing is less than 30 minutes. It's pretty easy and fast. This time I use the chicken thigh, but you can use chicken breast. If you have kids, I would recommend use the chicken thigh. But if not, or you try to get more healthy, you can use the chicken breast. It's fine. It's same, just cut them into small pieces. So now we have everything ready. The chicken, we cut it in small pieces. We chop the onion, we mix the egg, and then we make the sauce. The sauce is 1 cup water, add the soy sauce, mirin, and then the sugar in there, and mix it well. Then later on you will put it and cook with the chicken and egg. The chicken, you don't need to put any sauce or any seasoning. You just cut this and then prepare ready. You just use some oil. We use the olive oil, and you don't need a lot of oil, just a little bit. And then turn on the fire. As long as the oil almost ready, you don't need to be really hot on the oil. Almost ready, then you can put the chicken and then the sauce. Cook almost done, then you put the onion, then egg, and that's it. It will be pretty easy. When you cook, make sure the chicken is well cooked, and then keep moving it like what you see on the video. Then now you can put the onion to cook together. And the last thing we do is put the egg. If you want it faster, you can cover the pan and then change to medium on the fire. Then you cook it slowly and then let everything well cooked. If you don't cover it and then you keep cooking, like the sauce will be gone. Then later on it won't taste that good because the sauce is one of the main thing with the chicken, egg, and then over on the rice it will taste pretty good. Before you put the egg, you will see they have some chicken oil coming up. Try to remove those before you put the egg, otherwise the whole thing will be too oily. After it's done, you put the rice at the bottom and then put the chicken and egg and then the sauce on top. You can put some green onion on top to make it nice and then taste better. I hope you like it. If you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.